Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and publish a draft listing on your Etsy store. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Etsy website right here, etsy.com, if you have not already. So after opening it up, this is going to be the main page you are greeted by. From this home page, the first thing we can do is go ahead and log into your account if you have not already. If you do not already have an account, just go ahead and create one. So after logging in, this is going to be the home page we're greeted by. From this home page, we can get started with accessing the shop manager, and this is how we can get started making postings. If you do not already have a shop set up, it's going to give you the option right here to set up your shop. If you have already set up your shop, you're just going to go ahead and be able to go ahead and manage your settings from the shop manager. And now let's go and follow this article right here on the official Etsy Help Center on how to go ahead and post a draft listing. So basically guys, as you can see, to create a listing, you're going to go into shop manager, just like explained, open up your listings and click add a listing. So you're going to fill in the relevant information and click publish when you're ready. But if you want to save a draft and then later come back to it to post it, you are going to click the save as draft button instead. So instead of posting and clicking publish, just click save a draft, and this is going to create a draft that you can then come back to in your listing section, and whenever you want you can edit your draft and post it, so you do not have to create it from scratch. And that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.